Hi there, and thank you for watching. This is Ray with Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning in Tallahassee, Florida, and we're bringing you scenes from a recent cleaning we did of Montgomery Hall on the Florida State University campus. Montgomery Hall is also known as Montgomery Gym, and it houses the dance program at Florida State. It's a very large building. It was originally constructed in 1928 and 29, then with an addition made to it in the 40s. As you can see, Montgomery Hall is quite dirty. It's been several years since any maintenance has been done to the exterior, and part of the holdup in having the maintenance done is the mortar is very soft on this building, as is the limestone accents and precasts that have been done. So the university has really held off on cleaning it, worried about the damage caused by high pressure. Using high pressure on a surface like this could really cause irreparable damage. The mortar could be blown out of joints, and this limestone could be just etched away and a lot of erosion made to occur. We used our gentle soft wash process on this building, so no damaging high pressure was done. The maximum pressure applied to this building at any given time was only 300 psi, but typically we were applying around 120 psi and rinsing around 225 psi. We used a mixture of both sodium hypochlorite and a surfactant called Secret Agent. At the end of the project, we liberally applied a bleach neutralizer with Agent Halt, which neutralized all of the residue that could be left over after our wash. And as always, when we're working on projects, we try to give plenty of property and plant protection here. As you can see from these scenes, we've wrapped the electronic doors, we wrap the key locks to make sure we don't get any moisture in there, and we also put plywood over any of the sidewalk areas when we're running our lifts over them. We don't want to exacerbate any existing cracks that might be there in that concrete. On the left side of this picture, you'll notice the grooves in the limestone. That was its original finish. Age, time, algae has eaten away that natural finish and has actually left this limestone very pitted and very soft. This is one of the reasons that we use a low pressure process on this building. We don't want to exacerbate the damage that Mother Nature and time has already created. Hey, thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video about our cleaning of Montgomery Hall. Remember, if you have large format brick restoration projects, call Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. We're based in Tallahassee, Florida, but we can travel regionally throughout the Southeast. We look forward to making your project sparkle and shine.